Okay, guys, so we are in October. So this is gonna be a pre-record video, and it's really hot. You can see I'm perspiring in my face and so on. So let's talk about what I use in my hair after taking out my twist. So I take down my twist. This is my hair. Do you think I should embrace the gray in my hair, or do you think I should color my hair? Now, I color my hair before I apply the twist that I had in my hair. And after taking out the twist, this was what I got from my hair. And this was like the first time I ever have so much of my hair come out. Now, so I keep in my braid. I think I have it in from somewhere in July, August, and now September. So I have it in long enough. This was the color that I used in my hair after this in. This was the color that I used in my hair, and I don't know because this is the first time I'm using it. It's one of those Hana color, and this was the first time I used this one in my hair. I already used Hana in my hair where it never really give me so much hair out that come out. So I don't know if it's this why my hair got so much dead hair come out, or if it's the twist that I have in. But I have in twist in my hair like 2 3 months already, and I didn't have so much hair come out. So I'm not even gonna jump and say that is the twist. I think moreover is this. So I don't think I'm gonna reuse this back in my hair. So after I do take out my twist out of my hair, you guys tell me. So as I said, this is my hair. The middle of my hair still have a bit of thinness. You can see through it. But I'm wondering, should I embrace this gray or should I color my hair? I don't know what to do. I'm confused when it come on to that part of my hair. I like to color my hair, and I want to color my hair, but I'm waiting for you guys input to see if I should color. So these are two of the products that I use in my hair after taking out my twist, and this is for thin and thick hair. This is the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. They all have apple cider vinegar in it. So the two of bottle, the shampoo and the conditioner, come with apple cider vinegar. Those are one of the things that are in it. It also with biotin. They have carotene, they have castor oil, rosemary oil, and it also have coffee extra blend. So these are great ingredients that are in this condition and shampoo. Now, this is 709 ml, so this can goes a long way for me. This is the condition on also from the product, and these are the two of them that I picked up. One of the reasons why I'm using this out is because of the thickness that they said it can give to your hair. The other thing, because they have apple cider vinegar in it, which sometimes when you have your hair and you do apply a lot of product to your hair and they give you, you have a lot of built up, sometimes you need a little bit of apple cider vinegar to help you detox your hair. So this also have the same thing like this conditioner here. So and it also carry biotin, so that which I am grateful for. I don't have to take any biotin pill. I can just use this. But one thing I want to say that I did try it, and it really lathered the shampoo, lathered my hair so nicely, really nicely, you guys. And the condition made my hair feel really, really soft. They both made my hair feel a little bit thicker when I was washing it. So these are the two products that I am using in my hair right now. I have another video out, and I'm putting out a video of a shampoo and conditioner that I bought, which I don't start use it. One of the reasons why I started use this because my hair need was to detox the root of my hair. My scalp need to detox, so I end up purchase this. And as I said, my hair was really, really feeling good after applying the shampoo and the conditioner to my hair to make sure that I did detox my scalp properly. So then, because my after I taking out the twist, my hair was falling out. For me, I end up use this, and this is Silk Element Advanced Repair with Vitamin E Moisturizing Treatment. So this is what I use in my hair when I take out the twist and I find out that I got all this amount of hair come out. I use this to there's not much leave, and I remember using this product when I came from the UK last year when my hair was falling out so bad. This was what I used to reconnect back my hair to stop my hair from break. So when I find out that my hair, I had a lot of hair come out of my twist, I went back because I have a small amount in it, and I went back to use this to also apply to my hair and leave it there for some times before I do rinse it out. And then after combing my hair wasn't falling out that much, and I can show you just a little, but not much. And the thing with hair, you have to also wet your hair before you do comb out your hair, because if you don't, maybe when I take out the braid, um if I did go underneath the shower the same time and wet my hair and then wash it, I wouldn't have that amount come out. My hair, middle hair, is still a bit thin, and that's the problem. I don't know if it's because the menopause or what, but my hair, it's grow, the back is thick, but the front here still have a little bit of thinness. But I'm not gonna worry about that. But there's two things that I am trying out right now in my hair also. I end up bought them, and I wasn't using this since I take the braid out. I started to use this. They said to wash it out, but knowing me, I'm not going to wash it out. This cost me like $40, and the site is more I paid. And this is the Shebe from Chad hair oil, and also with shea butter. So this is what I am using right now in my hair. And if you look in the bottom of this, you can see the shea down here. So what I always do, I would always make sure, and I just started to use it because I wasn't using it. I buy it and then I end up pass on, give my daughter some of it to try out in her hair. So this is how it is when you shake it up. So what I do when I'm gonna apply it to my hair, I do put it in the middle of my hand. You know, Shebe has some really like green, and this is how it is. And I do apply it to the front or the middle of my hair, and then I do massage this product to my hair, because whoever I bought it from told me that within 4 weeks you start to see some form of improvement in your hair, and it's expensive. I cannot buy a bottle of hair grease, and they say it is good for really fast grow. So I'm trying out it because I have it here for a while, which I never use, and I just started to use. As I said, I give my daughter some. One of the reasons it also have like shea butter in it. They said it strengthens your hair strand, it promotes healthy hair growth, and it softens with shea butter to prevent hair breakage. So this is something that I have just started since I take out my braid, my twist. This is what I have been using. I was using the almond oil, those 3 oil that I blend together, that I put in my hair while I have in the twist. But now that the twist is out, I'm just trying to make sure that um, I use this product. And I need to show you how the shampoo of this look. I'm sorry I didn't show it to you. So this is how the shampoo look in the middle of my hand, very thick. And then you have the condition here, which I'm gonna show you here. This is the condition, this is the shampoo. Sorry, but I need to show you how they both look in the middle of my hand. So I end up picked up this also, and this one is their cream. This one is the Shebe Chad imported from Chad cream. I buy this at an African store. It's not everywhere I carry them. This is like $35, you guys, just a cream. And don't quote me, and I just hope it works for my hair. So this is the cream that I also bought, so I'm using these two together as a combination for my hair. And this one also have shea butter. It also have what you call, you have shea butter, and they also have shea butter. Yeah, they also have the shea butter in it. But let's show you how it look inside here. It smell really good, you guys. When I said it smell good, it smell really good. And it, one thing I can say about this moisturizer, if you apply it to your hair and you twist your hair is so soft. Once I apply this moisturizer with the hair grease to my hair, the hair oil to my hair become really, really soft. You can see how the comb is going through my hair. It's really make my hair feel soft, really. So what I do, I just apply it to my hair and then I twist it and leave it there. Twist it or plait the bottom and twist on the top. And all 2-3 days after, my hair is still soft. Really, when I said soft, it is so soft, you guys. So these are the product here. And this is how the cream is right here. And I'm trying to see if there's anything that it said here. Oh, they said, oh, this is a natural shea butter powder, olive oil, and glycerine that they mix together. So this is it. I love this cream, you guys. Love it. I just don't love the price, but I do love the cream because, as I said, it made my hair really, really soft. And as I said, I don't know, should I color my hair or should I embrace the gray? I don't know. I don't think I want to use back that color in my hair because I think it have a lot to do with my hair fall out. So I don't think I want to use back that color in my hair. And if you're using something in the hair and you find out that is not working for you, stop using it. And that's why I have so many hair products, because if I buy something and I find out that it's not working for me, I stop using it. But this is my hair for now. And you can see that it grow. It take me a year to really get back my hair to this stage because I don't have, my hair doesn't grow fast, but you can see finally that something here is happening into my hair. And I just want to just go up further that I can show you what is going on with my natural hair. So this is what is going on with my natural hair. The back of it is so thick, you guys, really, really thick. It's just the middle. I still have that thinness in the middle. But as I said, I'm trying out these two products for my hair. And I will keep updating you guys to see if it does, if my hair grow. But for right now, I don't have any breakout. After washing my hair, this is what I got out of it. I don't have any like really bad breakout of my hair, but this is my hair right now. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. Please like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell. When I do upload a video, you can be notified. So these are the two products that I am using with the shea butter powder and the shea butter, the cream and the oil here. This is what I'm using right now since I take out my twist from my hair. And then I also wash my hair with these two products here. They have apple cider vinegar, you guys, in it. I bought mine at, where did I bought these? Costco. I get these as Costco, and the price is right, really right for the two bottles. And these two products can go a long way. As for the silk element, if you're looking for silk element, Sally carry it. And as I said, this was what saved me last year when I get back from from the UK. This was what saved my hair. So I just want to give thanks to each and every one that come on my channel, and please like, share, and do comment, and I will see